Assalamu alaikum people. Welcome back to my channel Sharif Academy. Today I am going to tell you about ones and twos complement. First, what is a complement? In the previous videos I have told you about a complement. First, just a revise. What is a complement? Complement is a change of sign. If it is plus, then we need to change to minus, and if it is minus, then we need to change in plus in form of binary numbers or any other numbers. Yes, now here we are going to tell you about one's complement. What is one's complement? What we are going to do in one's complement? In one's complement, negative values are obtained by complementing each bit of the corresponding positive number. Once again I am telling, in one's complement, negative values are obtained by complementing each bit of the corresponding positive number. It is changed from 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Here complement itself you can understand is that changing from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Okay. Now I am here with 0 to 7, that is 8 digits, or you can take 0 to 15 or up to infinity, but I am here to show up to 0 to 7. First write numbers from 0 to 7. Plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. Now in this we can write 4-digit binary number. What is 0 binary number? 0 0 0 0. 1 binary number, 2 3 4 5 6 7. Many people say that we can't remember the binary numbers of the digits. Now here I am going to show the trick here, what it is. First draw the lines so that you can't get any disturbance writing the numbers. Okay, have you drawn it? Now what are you going to do is, from the right side of the number you have written for the 0 binary form as 0 0 0 0. You don't need to remember this number because 0 binary form is 0 0 0 0. Now for 1, what are you going to do is, I am not writing directly to this. Now what I am going to do is, 1 from the right side of the 0 number, that is from binary form, write in this form 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. In other form, while coming to the next digit, that is tens place, this is the units place and this is the tens place. Now here you have to take 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, now in the hundreds place, what are you going to write? What are you going to write here is, in this it becomes 4 times zeros and 4 times 1. Now you can guess it here. It is 1 times 0, 2 times zeros, 4 times zeros. Here what you can get is 8 times zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and next is 1. It is better simple. Have you seen it? Next, what are you going to do in one's complement is, the negative values are obtained by complementing each digit of the corresponding positive number. That means you have to write minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay. For 0, what are you going to do? Here you can see it. It is changed from 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. What are you saying here? 0 0 0 0. That means here 1 1 1 1 for minus 1. What are you going to do? 0 0 1. That means you have to reverse from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. 0 0 1. That means 0 1 0. Okay. And for minus 2, what are you going to do? 1 1 0 1. Are you understanding? For better clarity, I am drawing the lines. Okay. Here 0 0 1 1. That means you have to write 1 1 0 0 for minus 4. 1 0 1 1 for minus 5. 1 0 1 0 for minus 6. 1 0 0 1 for minus 7. That means all zeros. Here 1 is converted into zeros. Have you understood? If you don't understood, please comment in your comment section. If you are having any doubts, please write down in the comment section. Now this is all about ones complement. For the twos complement, what are you going to do is, this is the twos complement. For twos complement is adding 1 to one's complement of the negative number. It is as simple as one's complement. For one's complement, what did you did? You have replaced 0 to 1. Now here what are you going to do? For the negative number, you have to add plus 1. That's it. Now write same. First write 0 to 7 numbers. It's 0 and 1, 0001. In the previous ones complement, I have showed you the trick. If you didn't understand the trick, please write down your doubts in the comment section so that I can understand and upload the video faster. And for 2, what's the number? 0010. And for 3, 0011. And for 4, 0100. For 5, 0101. For 6, 0110. For 7, it is 111. Okay. For negative number, what's negative number? -0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. What are you going to do here is, for 0 number, what I am going to write for 2's complement is, in the 1's complement you have written as, for -0 is 1 1 1 1. For the 2's complement, what are you doing? You have to add +1 to the negative number. Okay, add +1 to the negative number. This is the negative number of 0. Add +1 from the last. That means 1 + 1 0. Carry 1, 1 + 1 0. Carry 1, 1 + 1 0. Carry 1, 1 + 1 0. Carry 1. Here it is the carry 1. So you have to neglect it. I have done here as binary addition. If you people don't know, you can clearly understand here. It is binary addition. What are you going to do? If you get as 0 + 0, then answer is 0. 0 + 1, then answer is 1. 1 + 0, then answer is 1. 1 + 1, that is answer is 0. That means it's carry 1. You have to write only 0. Okay. For 1, it's for 0, its value is 0 0 0 0. And for -1, what are you going to write? For -1, what's the, for -1, its value in negative number 3110. Add +1 to it. 1 + 0 1 1 1 1. Have you get the answer? This is for -1. And for -2, what's the -2 for negative number? For -2 negative number, 1101. 1101 + 1. That means 1 + 1 0. Carry 1. 1 + 0. 1 + 0 what? 1. Sorry. Then 1 1. You get the answer 3110. And for -3, what's the value for -3? 1100. For 1100, what are you going to do? Add +1. What are you going to do? 0 to 1 1 0 1 1. Your answer is 1101. For -4, the negative number is 1011. 1011 + 1. 1 + 1 0. Carry 1. 1 + 1 0. Carry 1. 1 1. The answer is 1100. 1100. For -5. For -5, here I am explaining for each of the number so that you can't confuse. Okay. For -5, that is 1010. 1010 + 1. 1 + 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Same. 1 1. Same. 1011. 1011. For -6, what's the value? For -6, value is 1001. 1001 + 1. 1 + 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. For -6, value is 0 1 0 0. For -7, is triple 4 times zeros. For 4 times zeros, what are you going to do? Add plus 1 to the last number, then 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, have you get it? Have you get it? For the 2's complement, it's negative number. Now we are going to see the examples for 1's and 2's complement. For example, they have given as a big number and 101010 as something a long number. You don't need to get worried. Then what are you going to do is same a little trick is needed. What are you going to do? First, write the question. Did you listen? First write the question 10101011 10101011. Then write its complement. That means change of sign. That means change of number. That means binary number, either 1 or 0. Here 1, that means 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is what 1's complement. For 2's complement, what are you going to do? Add plus 1 to it. Only you have to clearance only this. You have to get the result from only this. That means 1 plus 0, 1, and same other 1, 0, 1, 0. This is the 2's complement. Okay, have you understood? If you didn't understood this question, I am going to tell you other question. Okay, first write the question. Same 0, 111, 000. Then complement, that means change of sign. That means either 0 or 1. Here it is 0. That means change to the sign. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That means what I am going to do, if it is 0 in the question, then write its opposite number. That means only binary number. If it is either 0 or 1, then do it here binary addition. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 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 1 plus 0, 1. Okay, have you get it? This is the 1's complement. Okay, for 2's complement, what are you going to do? Add plus 1 to the last digit number. Here what are you going to do? Here 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 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 Here it is the carry 1. Okay, this is the 2's complement. Okay, have you get it? I am giving you the homework as one question. If it is either a long number or short number, you have to follow this trick. It is a little bit easy. Okay, for more videos, subscribe to Sharif Academy, and thanks for watching. If you like it, please share it.